Before you book that next haircut, stop, because the difference between walking out of the salon feeling amazing or feeling like you need a hat for the next 3 weeks comes down to a few things most people never think about. So before you let anyone touch your hair again, watch this first. Part 1. The real reason. Most haircuts go wrong. Let's be honest, that most of us walk into a barbershop or salon with a photo of a celebrity and say, "Can you make me look like this?" But here's the thing, that haircut looked good on them because it matched their face shape, hair type, and lifestyle. If you don't consider those 3 things, your haircut might never look the way you imagined. So instead of copying someone else's look, ask yourself, what kind of maintenance am I actually willing to do? Do I want something low effort or styled daily? And does my hair type even move the same way as in that photo? Part 2. Know your face shape. This part is huge. The right haircut starts with your face shape. If you have a round face, go for cuts that add height and angles, like a layered bob or textured crop. For a square face, softer layers or waves can balance strong features. An oval face? Lucky you, almost anything works. Heart-shaped? Side parts and face framing layers will flatter your cheekbones. Knowing your face shape helps your stylist recommend something that frames you perfectly instead of fighting against your natural symmetry. Part 3. Understand your hair type. Next, kitty hair texture. Straight, wavy, curly, or coily. Each reacts differently to a cut. Straight hair shows every line, so precision matters. Wavy hair adds natural volume, so soft layers work best. Curly hair needs shape that respects the curl pattern. Coily hair thrives when moisture and structure are balanced. Tell your stylist how your hair behaves when it's dry, humid, or freshly washed. That helps them tailor the cut to your real life, not just the salon chair moment. Part 4. Communication is key. The biggest secret? A great haircut starts with a great conversation. Don't just say shorter or a little trim. Say what you like about your current style and what you don't. Bring pictures, but also describe the vibe you're going for. Clean and professional, effortless and messy, trendy and bold. And don't be afraid to ask your stylist, what do you think would suit me best? A true professional will guide you, not just copy a photo. Part 5. Maintenance and aftercare. Your haircut doesn't end when you leave the chair. Ask your stylist how often it needs trimming to keep its shape and what products or tools they recommend. Even the best cut will look flat or uneven if you don't style it properly or use the right shampoo, conditioner, or finishing spray. Good hair equals good care. If this helped you, hit like, share it with a friend who's about to get a haircut, and drop a comment below. What's your go-to hairstyle right now? See you in the next one.